Facing the midday slump? Look no further than this clock, and CrAIg is right here to pump you up. Hi, I'm Ellie, Chief Positivity Officer, and this is CrAIg. The unboxing begins. Oh my gosh, champagne color, so sleek. If you're a small business owner and you need that extra pep talk, CrAIg is right here to deliver it.
Rise and shine, small business owner Matt. Your creativity comes from under your hat.
The setup could not be easier. You just plug it in, connect it to your AT&T Business internet, and then...
Your general store is not a chore. You sell bomb coffee and too.
So where can I get one of these, you're asking? You guys, it is so easy. If you want a CrAIg alarm clock, you can write a letter to us. Attention me, Ellie, Chief Positivity Officer. You do need to take it to the post office because it has to be certified mail. So certify the mail and then send it to us. We will need just a quick blood test.
It's too out of bed.
CrAIg, we're at
What to
work. So if you want all the tools you need to be a great small business owner, get this clock. Actually, get AT&T Business internet. That's the important part.